Welcome back. If you've ever hidden events on Facebook and later wondered where they went, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to find all your hidden events on the Facebook app on PC using the new update step by step. First, open the Facebook app on your PC and make sure you're logged into the correct account. Once you're on the home screen, look at the top right corner and click on your profile photo. This will open a menu with several account options. From there, go into Settings and Privacy. After that, choose Activity Log. This is where Facebook keeps track of many of your past actions, so it's the right place to check if you want to review hidden content. Inside the Activity Log, look for the section called Your Facebook Activity. Click on it to expand the available options. Now you should see different categories related to your account activity. Next, click on Events. This will take you to the Events section of your Activity Log. Here, you'll be able to find the option called Events You've Hidden. Open that section, and Facebook will show you the events you previously hid from your feed or timeline. If you want to review them, this is the spot to do it. You can look through the list and check which events are hidden under your account. That's especially helpful if you want to manage your event preferences more carefully or bring back something you hid by mistake. So, to quickly recap, open Facebook, click your profile photo, go to Settings and Privacy, open Activity Log, select your Facebook activity, click Events, and then enter events you've hidden. That's the full path to finding them on the PC app after the latest update. If this helped, make sure to follow along for more simple Facebook tips and updates.